Hello and welcome to day 6 of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar.
Yay!
And yesterday we discovered, I should say who we are. I'm Gareth Moore and you are?
Laura Jane Ayres.
There we go. And we are puzzle and brain training authors, but in this video we're not solving puzzles. Yes, we actually are. We're writing puzzles. No, it's backwards. We're not writing puzzles, we're solving puzzles.
What day is it?
It's day 6 and I'm already
day
losing
6.
it.
Okay.
But yesterday we discovered that day 6 was here.
Fire an exciting phone call.
Yeah, and there we go. Day 6. 6, it's underlined. 6 contestants have never won an episode or reached a tie-break. Frankie Boyle, Joe Wilkinson, Judy Love, Nish Kumar, Phil Wan and Sarah Pascoe.
Lovely.
These may just be trivia facts, or they may be relevant.
They may
in the
be
room
relevant.
we have a few bits and pieces.
We've got lots going on. We've got our bonus task. These tend to be like fun extra things that you can do with friends and family at home.
Day 6 instructions and something else.
Bernard is in here.
So day 6 says, this is a lovely calendar, isn't it?
Play charades with Bernard. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. Yes, this is a lovely calendar and I'm so far really enjoying it.
Bernard is in here.
Okay, let's have a look.
And it's a little envelope. This is actually an actual little
Play
envelope.
charades with Bernard.
It's quite hard to get Bernard out of the envelope.
We haven't looked in the room
Bernard
yet.
is very shy. Oh, there he is.
Ooh.
Nothing else in there. Okay. Bernard may be this guy on the calendar here.
2 words. The snowman.
Okay, so he's actually, we've got pictures of the charades.
Oh, great.
Well, should we have a quick look in the room before we solve it? Did you already say it was the snowman? 2 ducks on a table.
Pretty plain. We've had some other plain rooms, haven't we? Duck, duck, goose.
That's a game, isn't it?
It is a game. Fun.
They have to get all their ducks in a row. Do you think we need to keep track of all the ducks and goose we're finding? Or geese, I should say. All right, so what's he gesticulating?
So number 1 is a film.
Oh, thank you.
Number
I was like,
2
what is that strange action?
Is the fact that it's 2 words.
Okay.
Great. Number 3 is the. So it's the first word is the, and the second one is snowman.
The snowman, which we just saw on the calendar. There is a snowman
It's
here.
next door. So we think
this must be the solution today.
which should say day 7
Yeah.
if we open it.
And it does. We've solved it.
Fun.
Well, there we go. Do join us for day 7. We shall have a look and see what the snowman is hiding behind him.
We haven't looked at the bonus task.
Oh!
I want to know. Sometimes they're artsy crafty. Create a brand new Christmas tradition. It must involve 1 action, 1 object, and 1 noise. Your time starts now.
I misread that as nose.
It could be.
Well, there we go. If you enjoyed that, do please join us for day 7. But
See you
until then,
there.
bye.
Bye.